Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a first impressions video of a new product that I actually hauled in my birthday haul with Ulta on Monday. So this is the new Wet n Wild Color Icon Shade Shifting Blush, and I did swatch it in the video, but I didn't really play around with it or anything like that, and I actually I removed this clip, but I took it off immediately because I didn't want to see how it set on the skin or anything like that. I really want this to be a first impressions. So this is what it looks like. On the back, it doesn't have any instructions or anything like that. It said that this is called the Zombie Blush, that's the shade. So that's kind of cute, but I don't have anything other than highlight and a little bit of bronzer on my cheeks right now. So I'm just going to jump right in and see how this works. I believe this was around $3.99. I'll put the actual price somewhere on the screen. But I don't know. I guess I have differing thoughts on this because if you remember, there have been Alame Smart Shade products that were supposed to blend into your natural skin tone and stuff like that, and those didn't do that well because they're kind of gimmicky, just because it won't work with everybody. So I'm kind of curious if this is just going to be a gimmick, if this is actually going to perform well, or if it's going to ruin my entire makeup and we're just going to have to start from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and take a Wet n Wild blush brush, and I'm just going to, I don't know how much to get on my brush, but I'm just going to put this on and we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so it's definitely dark. Oh, and it makes my skin look super patchy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, gross. Okay, really? This looks like bronzer gone wrong. And this is blush. It's not meant to be bronzer or anything, but let's go ahead and match it on the other side. Okay, yeah, it's a no from me. This is awful, oh my god, why? Okay, y'all know how much I love Wet n Wild. I think Wet n Wild is the holy grail brand from the drugstore. It's my favorite brand. I think you can find everything from foundation, concealer, lipstick, lip liner, primers. I think you can find everything from Wet n Wild, but apparently you can't find this type of blush, which admittedly, like I said, this blush is called Zombie Blush. I'm gonna see, this has to be part of the collection. It says it's limited edition. I'll put the name of the collection somewhere on the screen too, or in the description, but I cannot fathom why anybody would ever want to wear a blush like this. Okay, this is just bad. It's just bad news. Now I'm at my lunch. I'm on lunch from work. I have to reapply my face makeup now. But, yeah, this is a waste of money. Barring you're looking for, I don't even know what you'd be looking for. Barring you're looking to be in a play about being punched in the face, I can't really see a reason that you'd ever want to use something like this. I mean, it would be an okay theater makeup, I guess, or Halloween makeup to some extent, but it's just even the swatch, you're gonna get a green shimmered swatch, and you're rubbing it on, and it's still green, you know? It's still green. You've got those mauve-y undertones there, but it's not pretty. I guess maybe as an eyeshadow, maybe, but that's not what it's marketed to be. And when you have to utilize a product for a completely different reason than you got it, I mean, that kind of sucks. So honestly, I probably will never use this. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I might just toss it. Or I might try and make it work as an eyeshadow. But I gotta say, this is a waste for money. Save your money. Wet n Wild does have some fantastic blushes. They're Color Icon blushes. There's one in Pearlescent Pink. Absolutely love it. Could not recommend it enough. So if you are looking for a blush, Wet n Wild still does produce good ones. This just isn't one of them. So that's all from me today. Gotta take this face off and get a new one on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. Like I said in the last video, if there's anything that you saw me haul that you would like to see a review on, please leave that in the comments below. Please make sure to like this video before you leave and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.